A very good morning, sir. We would like to have an introduction of yours, please.
Thank you. I am Anshul Saxena. I work as a senior director with Life Sciences Sector Skill Council, which is a awarding body under Ministry of Skill Development, focused on life sciences sector, which covers pharmaceutical and biotechnology. The purpose of this organization is to enable employability among the students, as well as look at the future employability for the working professionals. As an awarding body for India, we work with industry, with academia, to make the programs which are required by industry in the future as well as the current need, and empower students and the working professionals to hone the current skills which are required and which will lead them probably to a glorious future.
So, as you know, sir, Amity is launching this new program. The program is known as PG Diploma in Quality Control Analysis and Instrumentation. We would like to know what is your vision regarding this specific program.
Yeah, so must share this. I'm glad that we are actually on a day when it is getting launched. This program was actually seeded and incepted around 2 years back, where Amity University Haryana reached us out that they wanted to do something which are actually in the dire need. And when we discussed, I really enjoyed the kind of synergy that we shared in identifying the actual requirement of today. So the program is all about what is missing in the current student base, and that is where this is kind of, you can consider it's a finishing school program for the people who have completed the education and they would like to do something as an advanced diploma. You know, this program certainly be catering to the need of skill set required to become a real good quality analyst, which is normally focused on analysis part, troubleshooting when doing the analysis. And for this, importantly, because if we talk about a quality analyst who works in high-end instrumentations, we call HPLC, LCMS, you have GC. Now all of this certainly are high-end instruments. They are very sophisticated. Even a sensor, if gets blown because of negligence, it probably is going to be costing a lakh or more. Hence, it is important that a person who is operating that particular instrument understand the instrumentation, understand its maintenance, routine, troubleshooting, what to do. And it's very well thoughtful program which has been done. Council as well as university faculty team have worked on, I would say, carving out this program very finely, and result of it, we are very hopeful, is going to be making it much better as a result of a well qualified and skilled quality professional.
Sir, as you said that this sector needs people who know what they are doing. So, how do you think the ratio of employability will increase because of this program that you are launching?
Absolutely. So, a very valid question, first of all, you'd asked for it. Look, currently, if you look at, we are catering to a sector which is catering to life of human beings. We are talking about development of pharmaceutical drugs. We are talking about development of vaccines. Now, any drug and vaccine, whatever you I take, is actually coming out from these factories where they go through a routine quality check. Who is doing this quality check? Is actually done by these quality analysts. Today, the scenario is that students who is coming out from the routine university curricula, they do not actually hone this skill set because the sheer exposure is not there. I'm not saying that universities are not willing to do it or academia is not doing it, but even after, the interest is not there from the students. So even despite a faculty wants to teach them, they don't get it. At the same time, there are a lot of small institutions which are coming up. They do not have enough infrastructure, to provide that kind of a skill. I see Amity University Haryana has a real refined infrastructure, and that gives them a capability and capacity to launch such program. If any of a student who is launching this program, I can assure of that it is going to be 100% placement. You know, I have just sent it to a group of HR people, and they have started asking that when the batch is launching. Okay. With that, what I believe is that with this program, employability, which is currently at around 10 or 20%, it's certainly going to be jump as a multifold. So this program will just not only talking about the instrumentation analysis aspect, it is also talking about making person capable to do a better job, hone the habits, of good manufacturing practices, good laboratory practices, which are required when you're working in the laboratory. So with that, certainly the employability is going to go up for the any candidate who is going to be there. I am hopeful to talk to the students today on this program, and certainly going to be congratulating them to be the first of being inducted in this program, and very happy about their future because that is assured of.
So, sir, as we know that you are having an expert talk today on the topic skills, the wings for quality, professionals for glorious future. What is your vision for this expert talk? How do you think that professionals will have a glorious future with this?
So, look, the area where I come from is actually vocational education, is actually all talking about skills. Now, what today or tomorrow will take us into a better world is if we are skilled. Just imagine 20 years before how an analysis used to happen in a particular laboratory, and today how it is happening. We are talking about industry 4.0, we are talking about robotics, we are talking about artificial intelligence, we are talking about machine learning, we are talking about use of laboratory information management system, which probably will be the future. No laboratory today which is a good quality laboratory uses the handwritten notebooks. Lab notebooks are all ELNBs. So the skills are the only thing that will take up. Now, if we will not make ourselves tune and constantly fine tuned to the skill set required in future, you know, we would not grow. The opportunity would come, it will go, but we will not be the one who will be benefited with that opportunity. To the agenda of my talk today is all about skills, and I'm going to be focusing on the quality professionals because it is about the program. I will be talking to students who are actually interested to be quality professionals. And what I would like to pass a message to these people is start looking. Even if you're not doing this program, if some students are coming from other verticals, they should start doing an introspection about their own skills. Time to think whether they hone the right skill set. I'll be talking about what the skills are required for quality professionals. So probably they will get an enlightenment on that, and probably will make a better choice in future.
Sir, where do you think in the next 10 years this program will have? What is the vision that you have for this program?
Look, frankly speaking, I have a very clear vision and set out. This program is gonna go run, and it's gonna be a more successful program. And I see a very clear vision that every 3 years you will see a change in this program. So there will be a change of course, there will be change of curricula, because this program is actually meant to cater to the need of industry in future. So we keep on, making this program connected to a future need. Today it caters to the next 5 years need, but 3 years down the line we probably need to change to cater to the next 10 years need. So we'll keep on doing it, and certainly this program is going to be one of probably a prime and sought after program by the industry, by the students, and I will not be surprised if next year there will be certain industry sponsored student coming for this.